My name is Purva Rathore. I'm an architect by profession. After doing my architecture, I realized that I wanted to do something big in life. I wanted to associate myself with something big, to be at the center of something that's happening on a global scale. So I got to know about RICS through my mentor in architecture. He told me that there is a thing called construction project management where you can get into the managing of the projects. So I enrolled myself in RICS. RICS has proved to be the accelerator to my career. Before enrolling myself in RICS, I did a lot of research about why should I enroll myself, because I'm going to put my 2 years in this process. So I got to know that RICS is a global brand. So first is reliability. I could rely on that, and plus it's a degree course. So apart from the other options that are available in the industry, a degree course is always a good one. This is a prejudice that construction industry is only meant for men. There are many types of jobs that even girls can do, and nobody says that a girl cannot stand on site. You can. I have done that. The person whom I identify myself is Mrs. Indra Nooyi, the CEO of PepsiCo. Like, she's a dynamic lady, and she has done her thing, made her mark in the industry. So even I would like to go climb up the ladder in the same fashion in construction industry. No, I don't think that you have to be a guy to be a CEO of any company. It's a matter of talent. I would like to share my interview experience. They could have easily recruited a guy in place of me. Talent always wins. After joining RICS, I have seen a considerable change in myself. I am much more confident now, and plus being here has helped me in realizing my inner potential. So I have, now that I have realized that, I can be confident about that. I can tell the world that yes, this is something that I can do. I would definitely recommend RICS to others, because RICS is a global name, and being associated with a brand like that is definitely going to give a push to your career, and it will be beneficial on a long-term basis. The degree that RICS offers is an internationally accredited one. So a degree of that weightage is always going to be beneficial in your career, not just right now, even after 5 years, when you go and you say that you are holding a degree that is renowned internationally, it is always going to help you. And the curriculum in RICS is dynamic. It is very close to what is happening in the industry. We are interacting on a regular basis with experts from the industry, so we get to know what is going on real-time basis. So RICS has always helped me in, pushing myself, going into the industry, getting that confidence. The faculties here are very supportive and they are very knowledgeable. Apart from giving us the formal education that we get mentorship here. Our faculties are not just our teachers, they are our mentors. You can go and talk about professional problems and plus your personal problems. They help you grow. They help you shape up your thoughts. I would definitely motivate girls to come out and realize your potential. Just don't sit with the thought process that no, construction is always meant for guys. No, there are jobs waiting just for you. It's all about what fits what. So if you are there, see, such a thing, specialized MBA exists. That means that there is a demand of it in industry. So if there is demand, you should be there to deliver. So you can. Being an architect, I had done some interior projects. So during my interview, I told them that I've been through this, and plus I had the skills acquired through my course in RICS. So a combination of my graduation, my post-graduation helped me get the job that I wanted in Knight Frank in project management. And I would be forever thankful to RICS for giving me this platform.